I request respected Principal Ma'am to kindly come here and give you the review of the academic year 23-24. Please, ma'am. Thank you.
Good evening to all my dear parents. I welcome you all on today's grand annual function of Centview International year 2023-24. I'm sure this evening will bring you lots of happiness, motivation and energy. Our students have taken great efforts to present their excellence in front of you. We have seen many achievements in the year 2023 and 24. And hence, I'm here to acknowledge you the annual report of Centview International of the current academic year, that is 2023-24. I would also like to brief you about further years, that is 2024 and 25's accomplishments to come. Centview International's aim and motto is to approve the excellence as a charismatic education system which is based on 3 principles: discipline, hard work, and honesty. We have a total strength of 520 students where pre-primary section's educational methodology consists of a certified teacher and a helping hand. From primary section to further, we have specialized subject teachers for every class. We are blessed to have dedicated team members working for Centview International. A school is not only a place of learning, it is a nurturing ground for all development. The air is filled with enthusiastic minds to develop and grow. In Centview International, we believe in shaping not just academically skilled individuals, but also in instilling values that contribute to the overall development of the child. The facilities at Centview International, our students can now proudly say, or they can proudly boast of having the joy of being blessed with a top-class infrastructure. A pragmatic, child-centered learning environment is provided here, which makes learning a cheerful experience. The complete premises will be soon under CCTV surveillance. To develop reading habits and vocabulary, a class library will be functional in every class. The computer lab helps the students to get hands-on experience and provides them to the world of digital technology. And hence, we have allotted the computer lab in the school. The playground contributes to the kinesthetic energy and development of the students. The activities to be conducted for next academic year would be football, kabaddi, kho-kho, skating, athletics, karate, drama, dance, art and craft, robotics, badminton, scout and guide, and there will also be intellectual activity, that is Olympiad. We are starting with Olympiad, that would be English Olympiad, Maths Olympiad, Science Olympiad, General Knowledge Olympiad. These all activities will be performed by all professionals in their particular field. You will also see the coming academic year, that is 2024 and 25, students competing at district level, state level, and national levels. A drama is a form of performance that involves emotions and portrayals of human experiences through dialogue and actions. So parents, you will see coming academic year full of action, emotions, drama. You will see the students addressing the stage on regular basis. Now moving towards the robotics. Robotics is the interaction of science, conception, and technology, and hence, we are introducing the robotics in the coming academic year. You will notice the capabilities to perform more complex tasks of our students. One of the primary benefits of joining Scouts and Guide is the development of skills. Through various activities such as camping, hiking, community service projects, students learn essential skills such as leadership, communication, problem solving, and teamwork. And hence, Centview International proudly launches Scout and Guide for the year 2024-25. As I already spoke to you about the Olympiads, having said that, Centview International believes in nurturing the students physically and intellectually, and hence, we are promoting the knowledge through various examinations of Olympiads. We have come to the end of academic year 2023-24. New academic year 2024-25 will begin with lots of energy, passion, and hope from 1st of April. Centview International is all set to welcome the students in its new premises with all power-packed activities and competitions. we had a major concern. Now I hope that everybody would pay much more attention. That is about the fees. Many of the parents came to us and said that there's too much of hike in the fees. So I would just like to clear that part. So the concern shown by few of the parents about the fee makes us to bring to your notice that for the next 2 years, there will not be fee increment even by a rupee. Parents, should I repeat it again? That will be joyful to your ears. So this is the online statement that for next 2 years, there won't be any kind of fee increment. The reason for increasing the fee, you know, the premises where we've moved on takes a lot. So I don't need to tell you what takes a lot, okay? Because I believe that everybody is a businessman sitting over here. School, yes, as said, that never has taken donation or deposit and will not take donation or deposit any of the time in future to come. There will be fee increment directly from the year 2027 and 28. Current year is 2023-24. Next year is 2024-25. We'll be taking the fee increment that will be from 2027 and 28. That also will be increased by 1,000 or 2,000 rupees, not more than that. So if you assume that your child right now is in nursery, and then if you find out or if you calculate that from nursery now on, after 2 years of no increment and then increment by 1,000 or 2,000 rupees, you can just calculate your child's fee in your child's 10th standard. Your calculations won't go wrong and we'll make sure that they don't go wrong. That is our promise from school side. I hope that you have seen all the activities and you have seen the children, their efforts, the excelling ways of the children, the teachers who are doing lots of efforts over them. And with this, I hope that everything is made clearly from our side. And I'm thankful to all the parents for coming here, giving us your precious time. Thank you so much for being such a cooperative audience. And yet, I'm not going to take much of your time. We're going to start with the program. So thank you so much. Have a great evening and let's enjoy. Thank you so much.